The Allen County Department of Health's coronavirus vaccination clinic began its second day today at the Coliseum, a second week today at the Coliseum, with nearly twice the number of doses it had last week. As ABC 21's Corinne Rowe shows us tonight, that means the need is growing for volunteers to help the older patients arriving for their appointments.
Just follow the yellow line and there'll be individuals on the other side of the door to help you through there.
This is Jeffrey Metzger's third shift as a volunteer for the Allen County Health Department's coronavirus vaccine clinic. He greets people arriving for their appointments, shows them where they need to go, gets them into wheelchairs if they'd like one, and offers other assistance where he can. He says he retired a year ago and likes volunteering at the clinic so much that his wife is joining him for a shift on Friday.
One of these days I'm going to get up that age if I make it that far, and hopefully somebody will be there to help me. So it's my time to give it myself, so try to help out as much as possible.
As the health department gets more vaccine doses from the state, like it did this week, nearly doubling the number of patients who could be vaccinated, that potentially includes more people 70 and older coming to the Memorial Coliseum who may need assistance. Volunteer Center coordinates the volunteers and their schedules, and Ani Etter says volunteering time as a greeter frees up health department workers to do clinical work.
The volunteers here are doing duties that don't require a clinician, but are in their own way, they're supporting the clinicians and the managers at the Department of Health to provide this critical service for our community.
Joyce Linder is a longtime community volunteer, having accompanied disabled and elderly veterans on 8 honor flights to Washington, D.C. While this is her first shift at the health department's coronavirus vaccination clinic, she says she enjoys using the same skills in a new setting.
I love working with older people. And I can remember when I had to push my mom in a wheelchair. And that assistance was always really important to me, and I just want to pay it forward.
If mobility-challenged patients arrive alone for their appointments, she and Metzger stay with them through the entire vaccination process. They say, in addition to the satisfaction of knowing they've helped someone, what makes the experience even more rewarding for them is how grateful they say that patients are to be there to get the coronavirus vaccine. Corinne Rowe, ABC 21.
And the Volunteer Center anticipates needing more people to help out in the coming weeks and the coming months. If you'd like to volunteer, you can visit this website here on your screen, volunteerfortwayne.org, or you can call 424-3505.